Today, I'm going to show you how to plant a native shrub and help you create native bird habitat in your backyard. To start, you'll need a trowel and a watering can. Dig a hole that's a little deeper than the pot, pour in some water and let it soak through. To remove the plant from the pot, squeeze the sides. This one's a Westringia, which is found in our coastal areas all over the northern beaches. Different plants like different environments, so it's important to choose the right plants for the area and your backyard. Put your index finger and middle finger on each side of the plant and turn it upside down. Next, carefully put the plant in the hole and backfill the excess soil, packing it around the plant to make sure there are no air pockets that can dry out the roots. Then create a well around the plant to help capture rain and water and direct it to the roots. Finally, give your plant a good welcome water. If there's no rain, then water your plant every few days, making sure the soil is moist but not soggy. Please contact us if you need more advice about caring for your plants. Happy planting!